welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And if you've never been here before, I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscriber. Don't remember. So, let's see. It's a box. Oh, it's a box that's wrapped. Okay, let's see. Sorry. Okay. Well, if they left this in the rain, it'd have been protected. There we go. I'm tired. Oh, sorry. It ain't Friday. Alright, this is a tablet PC backrest mounting. It's supposed to be easy to clip on to the back of the car seat. It grips firmly and it operates conveniently. And it is universal for all tabs and PC. DVD, GPS system, iPads, and of course, you know, it's going to come. It doesn't want to come out. Nothing's working today. Okay, I don't even see how they put all of this in here. All right, this right here is the bracket. This is going to open up here, and I'm going to do it up close, of course, you know. And this hooks onto the bracket of the rest. And this part right here adjusts up and down. This is the part that hooks on to this clamp, and then this is where you put your GPS or whatever. What I do like about it, it does have this lift right here so you can adjust it. So this is as wide as it goes. This is how small it goes for something smaller. And it does have cushion here. We will do an up close of this. It also has cushion and rubber here. This rubber's coming off here. Let's put this rubber back on. Okay. And cushions up here. So we'll be back when we put this together. These are the bars you have to adjust here with this to go into the pole. I wanted to show you up close of the soft and the rubber. Back of the seat, and I'm going to lift this part up, and this bracket is going to hook onto these right here. And to do that, I am going to open up these hooks on the end right here. Okay, let's do this. I'm loosening these right here, that swivel, and I'm going to hook these to the post. There it is there, and you adjust it through these right here. So I'm going to move this side, and I'm going to tighten this side first a little. And then I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Slide it over, snap it in, and then tighten it. And then I kind of adjust it by going back and forth. Making sure that it's tight. Now I already put this bracket on prior. This bracket snaps on, I'll show you up close. But this right here adjusts this swivel. So, and this adjusts up and down. So I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna tighten this one. And then this bracket has a snap in the back on the bottom. And I'm gonna open it up, and it lets me adjust this whatever way that I want it. I'm going to put a small tab in. This is the small tab. And I'm going to close this down and adjust it. Now, you want it on the rubber that's here. So you put it up close. Pull it from the bottom. Clamp it in the back. Is much easier because if you're holding it from the bottom, it doesn't keep on moving. And now it's in. And now I could get ahead and adjust all my knobs to whatever position that I may want this. This is a small child's tablet, so that's why it's so small, but there's plenty of room, and I could keep it this way, or I could adjust it from here and tilt it up by this right here, adjust the tilt, and I can tilt it down or up. You'll hear it click, tighten it, to whatever level that I want. This is sturdy, it clamps to here, and if I still want to put the headrest down, you can. So you don't have to leave your headrest up. If you want to move it, to adjust it for another tab, you unloosen this back, lift this up. There's a snap under here. I'll flip it up, and then I can take the tab out and adjust it to a different tab. I can also turn this unit, lock this back with this button up here to turn it sideways, to put it in sideways if I wanted to. But this tab is basically for this one. But if I had a DVD player, I may want to put it this way because it would open up this way. So, I'm going to take it apart so you can see. Unscrew this. And unscrew these. This is a SUV Bovada. It's almost made like a Blazer. So this is pretty wide, and it took up this hole. But if you have a smaller, you can adjust it here on the sides. This right here in the back is how I was able to lock this.